alive. I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small steps stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go all in, all in. No halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow all in, all in. No dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do.
Count it up. 1, 2. This is a check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah.
Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done.
First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back.
They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened.
Yo, what's that word, man? What's that word? How we feeling? How we feeling, man? Will you be trading gold? No. You too, what's going on, man? How did everybody trade this morning? Chris Postal with the payout, 625. Good shit, bro. New day, fresh account, and in the green, not a bad day. Good shit, bro. Cook this morning, it happens, bro. Amazing because Coach killed it. Yeah, bro, we doing our thing in that fucking pre-market. That's one thing for sure. My boy Ronald, Ron Top Trader, what's up, bro? Hey, what happened to my boy Lagos? I ain't get a fuck you in like 2 weeks. My boy Owen just looking for 425 tonight for a max payout on my looses. Let's fucking go, Coach. Good shit, Owen. Good shit, Brody. Excuse me. Boy is locked in. Our drop was good, Brody. MP, what's going on? Coach, what you looking for now? I have no clue. Y'all ain't tired of me saying that? Logus ain't in MOT. What happened to my boy Logus? Logus. Can't find him? Oh shit, I hope he didn't get the belt. Hope he didn't get that eternal belt. That indefinite belt. He still here, Owen? Oh, all right, for sure. Donald J. Trump, coach a hoe. Hey, that's a flex, bro. Trump called me a hoe. That's a flex. Need a 200-point banger, coach. All right. That band guy. Let's get a ban on him again. Let's go ahead and get a ban on him again. That hoodie looks fire. Appreciate you, Brody. It's rich as I don't know, but I fuck with it. Shit player. Yes, I have different feels for Asia. Yes, sir. How we doing this morning, coach? Well, it's evening over here. I'm chilling, man. Kind of disappointed though, bro. I went to buy some shoes and they didn't fit me, dog. I needed them shits, bro. Thought I was a fucking 42. I guess I'm like a 43 now, bro. At least in those pair, Cause in all my other shoes, they're not McQueens, they Dior B23s. But I can't, bro. I'm a 42 and everything else, bro. I don't know how I'm not a 42 on that. Try Kids Foot Locker, brother. If I was still a kid size, life would be great. Shoes would be $80. Giveaway shoes. Do I want to give away some shoes? Hell no. I'm rebuilding my closet right now. Coach, did you catch the top tick for the sale fired off on ES and I clicked that? Yeah, we caught that motherfucker. I didn't catch it for the whole
Just got a lucid
thing,
2K payout because of you from the last few lives. Big salute.
My boy Hoodie 504 with the $4.99 tip. My boy said, just got a lucid 2K payout because of you from the last few lives. Big salute. Good shit, Hoodie 504. Good shit, Brody. Good shit, Brody. Are you allowed on roller coasters? Mandated by God. Your bitch rides my roller coaster every single day, twice on Sundays on me. I put your bitch on a roller coaster. I don't care that God is in his name. I don't have one. Checks out. Bitchless. I hate that for you, brother. I hate that for you, brother. My Christians Dior, my Bengals Jewish. My Bengals Jewish. I miss Lama will kidnap someone, baby mama Nixon. All right, yeah. All right, for sure, brother. For sure, brother. What shoe brands you fuck with, Coach? Nike, Puma, Adidas, Yeezys. Fuck with Nikes. Fuck with Jordans. Fuck with J's for sure. Love me some J's. Damn, that's a hard ass poster, Ramon. That's a hard ass poster. I low key need that. Where you got that at? If you don't want to, you know, tell the world, bro, you could tell me low key. You can message me, bro, cause that shit is tough. Which way you thinking? I have no clue right now. I have no clue right now. I gotta see. I gotta see. We got about 2.5 minutes before the market opens. Let's see. What's your win rate at these hours? I have no clue. We've been doing our thing though. We've been doing our thing though, for sure. Name a pair of kicks that's not hype you think is pressure. I think Vans be looking cool. The new ones. The new Vans be looking cool. I just got a new pair of Vans, but they got kind of like the pearls and shit on them. The brown. They not hype. Market opens in about 1:15, man. Let's see. What are you looking at? I'm looking at NQ, Brody. NQZ. Seeing if we can catch a banger. Your thoughts on the SpaceX IPO? I really have no thoughts on it, Anarchy. I'll be honest with you. I really don't have any thoughts on it. I guess it's, you know, Trump doing some more shit. We still doing pre-market all week, brother. We never stopped. Mr. Who Shot That? Was good, Brody. Predictions. I'm not a predicting trader. I'm a reactive trader. So I don't predict shit. Smash, what's good, Brody? A6 is tough. A6 is tough for sure. A6 is tough. I fuck with A6. Oh my goodness. Look at this crazy gap down. Look at this crazy gap down. It's a pretty decent gap down. I'm conflicted though, because we're at an area of interest of mine. Do we break it? Do we break my area of interest or does it hold? I'm going long. Going long. Going long for the gap fill. Going long for the gap fill. I like how it held my area of interest and see if we can catch the push all the way to fill the gap. This is very, 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 very volatile though. Very, very volatile. I'll be watching this like a hawk. Not gonna risk too much. Try to give myself like a 10-point stop. Give myself like a 10-point stop here. I was supposed to add to my position. Fellas. That flip would have did me justice. All right, I'm getting out of that. Minor loss. Minor loss. Minor loss. I was in longs, but not no more. We're still holding my position though. We're not holding my position, but we're holding my area of interest right here. I don't like how we're not distributing away from it. Good shit, G-Stank. Excuse me. Good shit, Brody. We're rejecting it again. How big would this stop be? Gotta be patient. Bye, get back here to pick all this candle opens up. Let's take one more. I want to take one more stab at this. Let's do it. Good candle. Another stab at the longs. This shit is rolling right now. I'm gonna take a partial to recover what I lost. Should see the gap fill from here. Definitely should see the gap fill from here. I like how we're distributing away, but we can't break these wicks though. Can't break these wicks. Going to break even pretty quick on that trade there, guys. I don't like that we're not distributing away. I don't like how we keep wicking at the same area, the same levels. See if we can get this wick and this flip for us to continue on. If not, I get taken out. Five minute just printed. 5 minute created a top wick. Let's see if we can get this punch. See if we can get this punch, man. Let's get this punch through. We just need to break these wicks. We keep wicking in the same area. Want to break these wicks. As soon as we get in this gap, I'll take another partial. The gap here. We'll be taking a partial at 108. You keep wicking that same area, bro. Literally keep wicking that same area. Let's get this push, man. Let's get this push, man. That was a nice wick. Let's get a push. Let's get a push. I want to see us push and at least test this gap. I want to see this gap get tested. The real sniper entry was at 34. 34 was a snipe. $34 was definitely the snipe. Let's go. Let's get a pump. Yeah, it's like it wants to go. But it's, bro, this area here, whatever this area is, shit is damn near bulletproof. But once we close and break over this area, this shit should be gone. That's the first look at an actual strong bullish closer. Excuse me, let's see if we can get the push now. See if we can get the push now. I don't look at ATR, brother. Brand new 5 minute. See how that 5 minute printed, 5 minute printed, pretty decent. Got our first look at that strong bullish closer, and this shit is still just chopping around. Let's get a bullish engulfing to fill that gap. Let's get a bullish engulfing to fill that gap. Let's get a bullish engulfing to fill that gap. We keep wicking the same area. We got a strong body closure on the 1 minute, but that same area is still getting wicked. You guys see these wicks here? It's a lot of sellers in this area. Just reached the profit target for my second payout this month. You the man. Good shit, Brody. You the man. You the man. Give me that bullish engulfing. Give me that bullish engulfing. Got 5 seconds left in this candle. Let's get a push. We need this push, man. YouTube, how we doing? Coach, have you ever had an alpha account funded? I haven't used alpha yet. Coach, what's the bias and why? It hit my areas of interest and it held 3 times. So that's why we jumped in. How was New York, Coach? Shit, it was great. 100-point moves flying left and right. 100-point moves flying left and right. I am not mad at New York Open at all. New York Open was decent. We had a very, very, very good day. ES looking fully wicked out on that 1 minute. Yo, this zone is bulletproof. 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 There's no way we didn't break this zone yet. Come on, let's get up there. 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 Bam, that's a partial. That's a partial. That's a partial. Let's go and fill this gap. Let's go and fill this gap. Let's go and fill this gap. We are flying. We are flying. That is a partial. Let's go. Let's go. Shit was trolling. Shit has been trolling. I want to see a full gap fill. A full gap fill. Good shit, Owen. Now we filled the little tiny gap on ES, but I want to see NQ fill this gap. Risk-free, we already paid ourselves, so it's not a big deal if we are wrong. But I want to see that full gap fill on NQ. Want to see a full gap fill on NQ. If we're wrong, we're wrong. We paid ourselves. Not a big deal. My stop loss is moved up to 79. 80, really. 80. Stop loss is at 80. I want to see this full gap fill. Treasy right through. Past eval with that good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Damn, that shit gave me anxiety. No need, man, no need. Taking out of that trade. Taking out of that trade. Vibing. Vibing, I'm not even tripping. Not even tripping. That's that gap rejection. Vibing. I have to sit on my hands now. I sit on my hands until I see something that's a little bit more clear. Sit on my hands till I see something a little more clear. How are we looking on this 5 minute? 5 minute closes in 2 minutes. Completely wicked out. Completely wicked out on the 5 minute. See if we do end up getting this flip. That's a pretty clean gap rejection. That is a pretty clean gap rejection. We tapped literally the midline of that gap and rejected. Sitting on hands now. Sitting on hands. I need to see something way more clear. What my boy say, yo, coach, I appreciate you, man. Because of your help, I can get my payout. Much love, man. My target was the middle of the gap. Good shit, bro. Good shit, Brody. Sit on my hands, wait till I see something a little bit more clear. And now we're in this 1 minute gap. See if this can get rejected. I do feel like if we do engulf this bullish candle that was created, we could see some shorts in play. We definitely could see some shorts in play. Five minute, brand new 5 minute. How did the 5 minute close? 5 minute close pretty decent. We just chilling right now. We just chilling right now. Looks like 236 reversal is incoming. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. We're holding that gap pretty decent. We held that gap pretty decent. We kind of held this fair value gap a little bit. We low-key invalidated it here, but on ES it's still valid. Shorts might be in play. Want to see how this candle can close. Want to see how this candle can close. Shorts may not be looking bad here because we are rejecting the gap. We are holding this fair value. These shits are very, very wiki, bro. Very, very wiki. How much is it to join the Discord? The Discord is free, brother. Discord is free. Just come in and join. Discord is free, man. Free of charge. Yo, coach, we don't fuck with Apex? Who said we don't fuck with Apex? I see that. We fuck with Apex. All of our partners are reliable, guaranteed to get you payouts. Apex has some of the best deals. They be always having like 80, 90% off. Can't argue with that. Gold, please. I don't trade gold, brother. Verizon coworker here. Are you in B2B or wireless? Brother, I quit Verizon a long time ago. I trade full time. I don't work at Verizon no more, Brody. And I was I didn't work in the store. I worked at a call center. Why do they call you coach? Because I call the plays. Duh. Duh. That's why they call me coach. Silly. Silly goose. Shorts may be looking good here. I need to see us break this zone though. Break this zone, give a nice little pullback, and I might test that out. That was catchy, Knack. You like that? You fucking with that? What's your typical trading size, and how do you usually partial? How much do you usually partial out at? So whatever my stop loss is my trading size. So if my stop loss is anywhere between 5 to 7 points, I'll drop 20 micros, no problem. My stop loss is, like I would say like 8 points and above, I drop 10 micros. My stop loss is like 13, 14 points and above. I would drop 5 micros because I like to risk $250 per trade. That's what I like to risk. Wanted to see a nice little pullback before I get any shorts, man. But it looks like if it just goes, it just goes. If it goes, it just goes. Let me see how we're looking. 15 minutes about to close in about 2.5 minutes, 2 minutes. The 30-minute is also about to close. How are we looking on the 30? How are we looking on the 15? Want to see us come down and test 38. If we break 38, hopefully we can get there at the same time as ES. But then we'll have free range all the way down to at least the 935. Should have free range to 935 if we can break 38. Right now, this PA is very, very, very choppy. Excuse me. No. I didn't take any trade yet. I wanted to see a pullback on the very next candle after breaking these lows, but it just didn't happen. When you say break wick or body closure, question mark. What's the question? Oh, I don't know what the question is, Brody. You got to break that shit down, Davis. You entered short? No, I didn't enter short. We are striking Iran right now. There could be some volatility ahead. Damn. We putting belt right now as we speak? Like right now? No. You talking about like right now? It's been for a few hours now. Damn, hours of belt? Should see a nice little dumper then. Iran attacking Israel, Israel attacking Iran, America got in as well. The fuck is going on out there? Hey, y'all boys that live over there, bro, y'all be safe, man. Y'all be safe. Tirando pura chancla. What does that mean? Chancla, that's a sandal, right? That's a sandal, right? Okay. Tirando pura. Okay, tirando is throwing. Okay. Now, what the fuck is pura? Throwing pure sandals. Oh, okay. See, I know a little something. Mary Jane, I was born in Hialeah, man. I'm technically a little bit Cuban if you think about it. You said it really good. Yeah, bro, I got that. His Spanish is horrible. Brother, I'm a ninja. What you think, my Spanish is supposed to be excellent? I'm black as hell. Coach is black. Sammy G, where the fuck you been? You been all right, my boy? It's a nice fair value gap tap, but I don't want to have to manage my risk so close in a profit. Stop losses won't be big at all. This will be on these new accounts. I'm gonna go for I want to go for a short. Let me see how this candle opens up. Opens up with a nice top wick. My stops would literally be 73 from right now. That's 13 points. I'm in it. Testing it short. Oh, flip right there. Nice flip. As soon as we get to 38, I will be going break even if we get there. I'm talking about as soon as we get to 38. I'm risking 13 points on fresh accounts. See if we can get there. See if we can get a dump. Coach could be a black Puerto Rican. Appreciate that, bro. I think. Chris Myers, what's good, Brody? I just joined live. Have you taken any trades so far? Yes, we caught the longs to the gap fill. That was a W. I just tested a short right now. 13-point stop loss. You did good, bro. Yeah, bro. No, almost art. I've been working on my Spanish, bro. I've been working on my Espanol. Been working on my Espanol. That's a nice leg. That's a nice leg. We're getting to that 38. We're getting to that 38. Matter of fact, just give me 40. Give me 40. Give me 40. I'll take a partial, go break even. News in 5 minutes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hope I'm on the right side. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, new 5-minute candle. Oh, okay. Give me 40. Give me 40. Give me 40. I'm asking for 8 points. I'm asking for 8 points, homie. I ain't asking for too much. I'm asking for 8 points. Give me that flip. I'm asking for 4 points. Give me that flip. I'm asking for 2 points. Let me get a push. Let me get a push. Let me get a push. Nope. Give me a push. Give me a push. You know what? I'm not going to be a dick about a tick. I am, hold on, let me see if this candle flips one more time. I'll probably just end up, because I'm not trying to deal with this choppy bullshit. Not going to be a dick about a tick. I'm going to take a partial there. I'm going to go break even. Took a partial there at 42. We're chilling. We are chilling. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. Now, this is where we can see a strong pullback from if not a complete reversal. I need to see us break 38. If we can break and hold below 38, we look good. We look good. If we can wick and flip and break over 38, under 38, we look good. 5-minute candle closes in about 3 minutes. 15-minute candle closing in about 7. We're looking pretty strong. Let's get that break under 38. Let's go. This shit's not moving. Are we talking about the same chart, brother? I'm in shorts on my live and paper. Paper trade got 4 points. We are printing. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit. So far, the short is up about, what was my entry? 60? Well, my entry is 62. Entry is 62. Let's get it. We're almost what? 40 points in profit. Let's get it. Nice dump. Nice dump. Just locked in max payout. Good shit, Greg. Good shit, Greg. That boy gave me a Boricua chain. Y'all boys ain't shit. Y'all boys ain't shit. I want to thank you and Lama so much for all your videos and education, because this wouldn't be possible without y'all. We have a account certificate from Apex. Good shit, Brody. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Give me that dump. 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 29,000, another partial. I'm going to say 2903. 2903 is a partial. Boom. Partial. 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 Printing. Printing. Now we are holding an area of interest on ES of mine. I don't want this candle to flip and I give back way too much profits. Have my stop trailing above that candle right there. Taking out. Taking out on that candle right there. But exactly what I didn't want to see was us wick and flip, respecting that area of interest on ES. And 2 trades. Actually 3. The first one I took a minor loss, recovered with the second trade with the buy, smashing TP1. Here we smashed TP1 and 2. And I got taken out in trail. Just past 250K evals, good shit. Look at that boy foreign, yo, hating. That boy said, stop the cap, you ain't passed nothing. That boy is a hater. That boy is a hater. How you hating on my boy foreign, yo? Is you cool? How you hating on the dog, bro? Shit still has some room to dump, though. I can't even lie. Definitely still has some room to keep pushing. Definitely has some room to keep pushing. Shit definitely has some room. That was a nice little play. That was a nice little play. That was a decent size. That was a decent little play right there. ES is still holding that area of interest that I was talking about. ES held that shit clean. But it's like in between ranges. Whoa, what was that candle? Whoa. Some volume kicking in. Some volume kicking in. We can flip respecting that area of interest on NQ, that PD50. Like have a little room. If that doesn't take us down, I don't know what will. Still respecting that PD50. Are we looking? We got 20 seconds left in the 5 minute. 15 minute also has 15 seconds left. Definitely sitting this one out. Have to sit this one out. Can you explain the previous 50 again? Which the previous 50% of a candle? Is that what you're asking me? Because that's all it is, the previous 50% of the candle. That's literally all it is. We're still holding that PD50 right there. Do have some room. We do have some room. If we can distribute away from the previous day 50, like we're doing right now, if we can get a strong body candlestick closure, we could see that dump all the way down to my levels here at 40. $7 p.m. incoming, correct. I'm out of everything. So 7 p.m. comes in, that's perfectly fine. I'm not in the trade. I'm chilling. I am chilling. It's all bots on here. I peeped the scheme. Y'all paid for us to take a L. I paid for y'all to take a L? What? You here for free? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Brody? You're here for free. Coach, your voice sounds. Yo, my shit keeps glitching, bro. Your voice sounds like you could rap. Shit, probably. Probably, Brody. Probably could. I probably could spit a couple bars or something. Probably could spit a couple bars or something, you know? Blew my account. It was my second eval. What a shame, brother. It's your second eval. You're doing just fine. You're doing just fine, Brody. I freestyle from time to time, Habiba. I see it in you, bro. I literally see it in you. Passed another 150 TPT eval. Let's fucking go. Good shit, Brody. You freestyle too, Cozy. Yeah, nah, man. I don't keep forgetting the words. I could never finish my rap, bro. Where would you short now? Brother, I'm out of this. This price action is crazy right now. I'm not taking another trade. Excuse me. Aniki, I heard you can freestyle, bro. Heard you be spitting, bro. What Caribbean islands you been to? None of them. I just did my passport thing today. Had my appointment today. So the first island I'm going to is St. Lucia in November. Where did Max get those tracks y'all play at the beginning of the sessions? Bro, that's actually Aniki. That boy Aniki, I told you, he raps. That's what I was telling you, but that's actually Aniki. Y'all think I'm trolling. That boy Aniki be... I got family in St. Lucia I just spoke with yesterday, gang. Well, shit, bro. I hope the island is good, bro. I'll be sliding out there and seeing what's going on. Is Aniki black? Aniki's black. Not only is he black, he's a ninja. Like a real live ninja, bro. My uncle, well known on the island, tap in for real, for real. Fool. If I go to this island, I ask for your uncle, and they say they never heard of him, bro. They always want you to tap in with no rank. No rank. Hey, bro, tap in, bro. I got you. Get to the city. Can't even go to the store by yourself. A super real ninja, when he walks by, I tuck my wallet across the street. Nah, that's Aniki. That's Aniki, bro. What y'all don't know is Aniki got 10 on 10. 10 to the top, 10 to the bottom, all gold. I'm telling you. Nah, I tell you, I got you, bro. I'm gonna see what's up. I'm gonna see what's up with your island, man. What type of food y'all be making, bro? What's y'all best plate? Now we're at the midline of this 5-minute gap here as well. So we just broke underneath the quarter point, but we're at the midline of this 5-minute. Could see a retracement from this area right here. Yeah, yeah, Capitano, what kind of shot that? What kind of shot was that, brother? The girl put 3 question marks. The girl put 3 question marks, brother. Reply by accident. Ah, right. Right. By accident. Nah, brother, you thought that was going in. You thought that was going in. YouTube, what's going on, man? Did we catch the buys? Did we catch the sales? Did y'all eat with us? Maybe I should ask on pre-market call. What you asked me, Gaming TV? G-triple-M, U.S. strikes Iranian military sites after Trump blames Tehran for helicopter down and crew rescued. Boy, it's going down over there. It is bussing. Ever thought of visiting Dubai or anywhere in the Middle East? Heavens no. I heard they too strict in Dubai. I can't seem to find the indicator in the session one that's on the course. Yeah. Ask me in the chat, Brody. Ask me in the chat. Not right here. Look at that pullback. Look at that pullback off the 5-minute midi. Bluesy futures with 651. Good shit, bro. Good shit, Brody. Strict on what? I heard you like you can't really. I can't even go with some cheeks, and I can't grab my cheeks in public. Or I'm gonna get tackled, or is that just a rumor? Oh, so it's a rumor. Oh, we out. We out. I don't even smoke no more, so I don't care about the drugs. We out. Yeah, we out. That's the case. That's a partial. If you guys did take the buys off of the 5-minute midi, that is a partial. Same area where we were rejecting from last time. Area of interest of mine. 2 areas of interest of mine stacked on top of each other. How many micros you rock with? It all depends on my stop loss. Alcohol is heavily restricted in some countries in the Middle East as well. I'll be honest with y'all, I don't have a desire to go to the Middle East. I just want to go to the Caribbean islands, and I want to go to the Hispanic places. I'm not even gonna lie. I do want to go to Japan though. I want to go to Japan. I want to go to Thailand too. Cause Japan, I could get some clothes and shit, bro. They be having some drip out there. Thailand, I just want to go because everybody always talking about it's cheap. You'll have a time there, all type of shit. Feel me? Thailand is dope. Japan is amazing. Japan is dope. I lived there for 6 months in college on study abroad. Yeah, bro. I hear good things about Japan. Slide to DR, you know that. You know that. I like going. I want to go to the Hispanic countries because I like their food. Lucid Pro or Flex, 25K or 50. I use Lucid Flex. Either or is good. I think the only difference is with Pro, you have to make 3 days of profit before you can actually get a payout. And I believe that. What is the other stipulation with it? And yes, consistency. Coach, you been to Yard already? Nah. That's where I plan on going this year, though. Just did my passport shit today. Yeah, I'm trying to do some traveling this year, man. I'm trying to do a lot of traveling this year. I want to go to Mexico. Everybody talks good shit about Mexico. You said partial buys, the Asian guy. Yes, if you guys did jump in buys from the I'm in the midline, yes. Caught the sales, good shit, Big Oli. Santana Flea, I got sales on that, good shit. Caught 100 points, my guy, good shit. David Burgos, I'm with you, gang. Caught the sales, my boy Spazzing. Both on 1 micro, 75 points. Sweet Will, good shit, Brody. Caught it from 29,100 to 29,000. Boy's a dog. That boy's a dog. Can I join? Can you join what? Bro, go to PR. You don't need a passport for that. It's like leaving the country without leaving the country. And it's like 1.5 hours from you light work. Oh yeah, I don't need a passport to go to Puerto Rico. We out. Oh yeah, I do want to go to Italy. Yeah, I do want to go to Italy. For sure. I want to get some clothes out there too. Do want to go to Italy. Definitely. Are you trying to hit a curtain point in saving before you travel before you start to travel on the road? No, bro, I need a passport. I just did my pass. That's all I was waiting on, bro. I could have been traveling. I've been to a hentai convention in Japan. Hentai. Why did that sound? Why does that sound why does that sound familiar? Let me look this shit up. Why do I feel like Anaki's trolling? He's skipping questions is wild. Hold on, what question are you asking? Hold on, let me see what the fuck Anaki's talking about. I ain't gonna lie. Aniki, you a damn dog. Aniki, you a damn dog. You a damn dog. You a damn you a damn dog. Fake tattoos is what henna is. What the hell are you talking about, Killzone? Can I join for your trip to Italy? Probably not, brother. You my dog though. Probably not, bro. Now, what did Jay ask me? Because he said I'm skipping question. Do not type that into a browser, not safe for work. Oh, it's too late. Coach coming to Toronto this winter? Absolutely not. Don't it get extremely cold in Canada? Hell no. How long you been trading for, coach? 3.5 years. It ain't that cold, bro. Y'all be like, it ain't that cold, but where you live at be getting -10 degrees, bro. I'm from Florida, bro. That shit cold, bro. 60 degrees is cold, bro. I'm from Bolivia. I just moved to Toronto. It ain't that bad. Bolivia don't get cold? How cold does it get in Bolivia? We right next to Brazil? Oh, okay. Still not going. Fuck you talking about? I'll slide in the summer though. How long does it take you to become profitability? Shit. It's all up to you, bro. It took me 2 years. It took me 2 years and some change. Had a slower start than a lot of you guys. Then again, I traded Forex for like a year and a half before I started trading futures. When I started trading futures is when I became profitable. Flying off that 5-minute MIDI. Homie, this is summer right now. Nah, Will, he was telling me to come. He was telling me to come in the wintertime. What was your biggest problem when you were unprofitable? Discipline. 1,000%. It wasn't even the strategy. Even before I locked in on the strategy that we have now, it was just discipline, bro. I used to do all type of shit, bro. I used to click the button at 9:30, pick a direction. I remember getting in buys or sales just off a quarter point. FOMO, chasing like a big amount, in denial about my stop loss. I would hold trades in drawdown for like literally like 100 points, bro. Just doing a whole bunch of stupid shit. Biggest obstacle learning to trade, not being married to the money. Took me a while to disassociate myself from prop money. Took me a while to understand that me losing $300 in prop money is not me losing real $300 of real money. Had a very like get back mindset. If I lost 300, I have to make it back. When realistically, that's not the case. What up, coach? This going back up or going to break the 985 on the down? I don't know, brother. I have no clue. We just rejected and held that 5-minute MIDI, and we're exploding past my areas of interest. It looks like we're going up to test that gap again. But y'all be asking me shit like I'm a wizard or something. I mean, I know what I'm talking about, but I don't really know, like, can't tell you if it's going up or down for real, Brody. Hell no, because last time I used my Jedi powers, this man Tyler made me waste my shit for fucking $37.89. I ain't using my Jedi powers no more, bro. Y'all be bullshitting. What's profitable? Serious question. Like getting payout every week. I would say consistent payouts is what makes you profitable. It doesn't have to be every week, but you're consistently getting payouts. That boy would have been up. Teddy Guap, bro. I told him full port long. I closed my eyes. I tapped into that side of the brain, you know, just for that man to get out with $37.89. Hey, Habiba, you remember that shit, bro? Hey, Slicks, you snap. Do you think to be successful, we need to trade micros? It's all preference. This shit is flying. Whoa. It's all preference, to be honest with you. If you have like a 150K account, 100K account, things like that, you don't necessarily have to. There's a lot of people. Max is successful. He doesn't trade micros. There's a lot of people successful that don't trade micros. I like micros because I can pay myself down to the last cent. I hold trades for a long period of time, 100 points, 120 points, 200 points, 300 points. So in order for me to do that, I have to pay myself as I'm getting to my targets. So that's why I like micros. Plus I'm on plus I use 50K accounts. So to me, if you're using 50K accounts, using minis doesn't make sense to me. Because if you have one mini, you can't partial. Max does hold. Max does hold. He just trails. And when he gets taken out of his trails, there's no reason to get out. Max isn't getting out of a trade. The only difference is like my actual target is literally 100 points away. So that's why I like to use micros, because I know in order for me to get to 100 points, I'm gonna have to pay myself at my levels. 10 micros basically a mini. No, not basically, it is a mini. 10 micros is one mini. Way cool fool, I keep blowing accounts. Hey man, you gotta, it happens. If it makes you feel any better, I blew like 5 accounts last week. If it makes you feel any better. Blowing accounts is all part of the game. Do you mentor? Yes, I do mentor. Who was your mentor? Lama got me into trading. Lama got me into trading. Yeah, that long fucking ripped. From call out, she was up 113 points from call out. Me personally, I am done trading. I caught my bangers for the day. For the night, I'm gonna take my profits right into New York. How many micros do you trade at one time on average? It all depends on my stop loss. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let's bless someone, coach. Let's do it, Sammy G. Where you been at, though, bro? You good? You been straight? I ain't seen you in the chat, my boy. Taking out trail too close. It's all right, Grunt. You paid yourself. Done and done. Thanks, coach. Took the short with you and took the 786 tap up. For sure. I was out last week with Little Man. Okay, for sure, bro. As long as you good, my boy. Davies, you got me done trading twice in the same day, 12 hours. These slips look like twins. Twin. Sorry to spam. Good shit, Davies. Good shit, Brody. This can be a place for re-entry. Can be a re-entry in a 5-minute gap. We're approaching that PD 50 again. Holding back end of the 786 on ES. So like a dumb. I'm gonna test this out. My stop losses are very, very short. I have a pretty tight stop on this one. See if this is the confirmed higher low for the continuation up move to test that gap. Testing along here, guys. Keep my stops very, very tight. Literally have like a 9-point stop loss. Literally have like a 9-point stop loss. And looks like we might get taken out, which is totally fine. Totally fine. See if we can hold or if this gets taken out. See if this PD 50 can hold, get taken out. Ooh, got grazed. Getting very, very close. Want to see this hold and us distribute away from this PD. We have 2 minutes left in this 5. See if we can catch the pump up. That's a nice candle. Oh my gosh, that shit got eaten back up instantly, immediately. Immediately. Wow. Out of that trade. Wow. Immediately. It is what it is. Logging off, made my profits for today. Unfortunately, I still have a night job. Got to catch some Z's. Thanks for the session. Ain't no unfortunately, my boys. You got a job. You get into the money. Get into that money, my boy. Get into that money. Let's give away some shit, though. Hey, YouTube, how many likes do we got? How many likes we got on this YouTube, man? Let me refresh my YouTube. 63? Come on, YouTube. I know we could do better than that, man. I need 100 likes and I got something for y'all. Need 100 likes and I got something for y'all. Brand new 15. 15 minutes completely waked up. We over, coach. We got it? Nice. All right. The word for YouTube. The word for YouTube is word for YouTube is P2P. P2P is the word for YouTube. Let's get it. Broke back under this previous day 50. It's pretty, bro. This shit is chopping around. This shit is literally chopping around. YouTube winner giveaway, Norbridge 2838. Norbridge 2838. Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket. We have a free indicator of your choice coming your way, bro. All right. Let's run a, you know what, let's run one more for the YouTube, man. Let's run one more for the YouTube. Let's run one more for the YouTube. The word for YouTube is coach with a K. We have a winner, Davis Bryan, 3008. Davis Bryan, 3008. Congratulations. Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket. We got a free P2P indicator coming your way. Is everything good with Lama? He's not coming to the morning show. Yeah, he's in Peru dealing with some family stuff. My boy's spelling coach with a C. Like it's not on their fucking screen. You guys are fucking a classic. Discord. I'm thinking of A flavor Gatorade. Go. Damn. Come on at me. It was cucumber lime. It was cucumber lime. It's my favorite one.
Yo, what's up, coach?
Our drop was good.
What up?
How you feeling, bro?
Feel good. I did good. Good for power. I mean, for happy hour.
So everybody that's shaming cucumber lime, have you tasted it?
Wait, so yeah?
So cucumber lime is not refreshing. It's not gas.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
That shit's ass. Let me guess. Y'all the same one that likes fucking the cool blue. Oh, brother. Y'all have no palate. Y'all palate is bland. Anyways, my boy. Listen, man, we got a free 50K account coming your way, bro.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
No pressure, bro.
All right, bro. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Bro, so cucumber lime is not that? Hey, y'all look crazy, bro. No, not 350Ks, bro. Listen, bro, if y'all want something refreshing, get you a cold cucumber lime Gatorade. Tell you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Telling you. R dropped. Sammy G R dropped one. Cucumber lime and tequila. I don't mix tequila with my Gatorade. I'm telling you, bro, y'all don't know nothing, bro. Y'all don't know nothing, bro. Organic watermelon mint. That look good as fuck, no lie. Y'all be, hey, bro. Y'all be, yo. I hate y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That looks fire, but cucumber lime don't look. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm done with y'all, bro. I'm done with y'all, bro. Y'all rage baiting, bro. Y'all, it look healthy. Teddy Guap, your ass don't look healthy. Fuck you talking about? Talking about it look healthy. You don't even look healthy. Y'all be blowing me, bro. Y'all got it, bro. Y'all got it, bro. Y'all got it. It's the end of the show, bro. I'm not even finna do this with y'all, bro. I ain't finna do this with y'all, bro. G shit, bro. G shit. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. Nah, Habibi, bro. They be bullshitting, bro. This man's drinking watermelon toothpaste, but cucumber lime is disgusting. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Y'all be throwing me. Anyways, man, listen, that is another happy hour for the books, man. Third happy hour of the week. Excuse me. If you guys made money with us, congratulations. If you guys did make money with us, money missing, not money lost. If you guys took a loss, it is what it is. Chin up, chest out. No need to go on tilt. No need to blow any profits during the Asia session. Come back with a new mindset for New York. If you guys did blow your accounts, make sure you guys are using code BDM. If you're using TPT, use code P2P or BDM. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Tip the staff. They work solely off tips and they hold it down in here every single day. They work hard, man, and they do it all off the love. So it's very much appreciated. You guys tip the staff. Make sure you're checking out that Max Options Trading website. Open up happy hour with a cold cucumber lime Gatorade tomorrow. I will. I most definitely will. Yeah, I'll be mindful of that. I will. So I can show y'all what refreshing really is. Make sure you check out the website, www.maxoptionstrading.com. It is a one-stop shop, has everything that you guys need there. If you're looking for indicators, it's on there. If you guys are looking for education with a course, it's on there. If you guys are looking for a mentor to try to get some coaching, it's on there. You can even open up a support ticket on the Max Options Trading website. You can see all of our partner prop firms that we use. And it's all, like I said, everything is a one-stop shop on that website. You guys be sure to check it out. If you guys aren't in pre-market and you're a P2P student or an F1 student, get yourself subscribed to pre-market. Pretty much a coaching with me every single day before and after the market. Pre-market, we're going over the trading plan for the day, charting up and doing all that good shit, pretty much going over the course every single day. And as far as the recaps, every day after we take our trades, we do a recap session about what trades that we've seen, what trades that we take, and just going over it, man. Tons and tons of education. You guys don't want to miss out. Pretty much a coaching every day for literally $2.50 a day. So you guys be sure to check that out, man. That's all I pretty much got for y'all. Today was a choppy session. We took 3 trades. Well, I took that fourth one and lost. Still green on the day. We caught the buys, we caught the shorts, and we had us a nice little time talking shit, man. Pre-market. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. YouTube, Discord. I will catch y'all in the comment section, man. Habibi, drop that player shit, man.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now.
Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done.
First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back.
They said get a real job. Dreams too small while I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cut and win short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm email almost failed that phase. days. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, Lil Green on the stack.
First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just roll my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash.